Hi, it's Chris again. And in today's recording, I want to talk about testimonials, because testimonials are always a good thing, aren't they? Right? Testimonials are always really, really good. Yeah? Good idea? Well, actually, no. They're not always really helpful. Sometimes the testimonials can actually harm you, but that might sound surprising. See, the thing is, when we ask for testimonials from clients, what are they going to say? They'll say things like, unless you control it, they're going to say things like, or they can say things like, Chris is really great. It was really fantastic working for him. He's a really great guy, or whatever. And it's all about how awesome you are, right? It's nice, but it's not particularly helpful for your prospective clients, is it? And let's face it, what's the purpose of putting the testimonials up on your website or in any posts that you put out? The testimonials are designed to give someone who's thinking about working with you the reassurance that it's likely to work. But we can go so much better than simply words to the effect of, yeah, we really enjoyed working with this person, they're awesome. All right. So what can you do that's actually more useful to the people who are going to read or listen to those testimonials? And I would suggest that rather than asking for a testimonial, instead, you ask for a chat. You ask to have a conversation, a short conversation with the client already, who obviously is having a good experience with you. And how would that chat go? Well, firstly, you'd record it. You may video it, you may audio record it, doesn't matter, but you record it, because what you're listening for and looking for are the words they use. It's their language. And then you're going to ask them I'd suggest ask 4 questions, right? Your own words, but words to the effect of, right? Question 1, what was happening in your life, in your business? What was going on for you before we started working together? Why do you want to ask that question? Because that is where your prospects are right now. They're not yet working with you. So is this person, this client, going to be describing the situation or the problem that the prospect clients are experiencing right now? Because when they say, oh, that's me too, now they have a reason to listen or read the rest of it. So that's question 1. Question 2 is, what other options did you think about before we started working together? Why? Because we want to understand what the range of options are that made you choose this one. Why was it different? Why was it better for you to choose me? So that, again, is helping the potential prospects. The third question that you can ask them is, and what has been the result? What's life like now since we've been working together? What's the impact been? Your words around that. Why? Because that is what your prospects want. Right? They want the outcome. They want the problem solved. And the fourth question might be something fairly general, like, and if you were sharing this with anyone else, or if anyone else was thinking of working with Chris or working with me, anything else you'd like for them to know about, anything you'd like to say to them. Why? Because now your prospect, now they understand the situation and it mirrors their own. Now, what is this person going to say? And when you've got that all recorded, you can then get it transcribed. And when you've got it transcribed, you can now pick out extracts from it. You can put some of those points in posts, in articles, on a web page, in a blog place. And now you can start to take it in all sorts of different, use one testimonial or bits of the same conversation and use them in multiple places. And also you can, of course, create maybe the audio version, a video version, and you've got more complete story. And the other thing about that is it's so easy to do because it just takes 5 minutes of a conversation with someone. Quick to do, quick to implement, loads of benefits from it. Hope you find that helpful. I wonder in what way can your testimonials be more helpful and therefore more effective for your future clients. I'll see you another time. Bye for now.